Listen the sound of animals. What do you hear? An elephant. What do you hear? A lion. What do you hear? A bear. What do you hear? A tiger. What do you hear? A horse. What do you hear? A wolf. What do you hear? A kitten. What do you hear? A cat. What do you hear? A duck. What do you hear? A goat. What do you hear? A key. What do you hear? A snake. What do you hear? A fox. What do you hear? A lizard. What do you hear? Birds. What do you hear? A hen. What do you hear? A rooster. What do you hear? A cow. What do you hear? A dog. What do you hear? A bee. How wonderful they are! Thank you, subscribers. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and activate the bell. Until we meet again next time.